Good afternoon. How are you? It's Thursday and it's nice out. I'll talk about that at the end too. Looking at our dragonfly, do you see symmetry in the dragonfly? Something to think about for next week. We will be talking about symmetry in math and then 3D shapes. Do you know the difference between a circle and a sphere? One of them is a plane shape and one of them is a 3D shape. Look around your house for plane shapes and 3D shapes. Match them. Find a plane shape of a sphere. What's a plane shape of a sphere? A circle. Well, I said that. A circle. So find some shapes that are just circles. And then find some shapes that are spheres. Now spheres you can see all around, where a circle it's just a flat shape. You can't see it in all directions. It's like a pancake. Flat, right? So those are just two different things we're going to be moving on to in the next couple of weeks. Announcement. This is a change. Parents, this is a change. That's why I put it up in a announcement / morning message / it's 1:20 in the afternoon message for you all to see. Starting May 27th through the 29th. I think those are the 3 days she gave me from 8 to 3. The students' belongings will be available for pickup. There will be a letter going home with more details for you. I do know the grab and go. They were supposed to have those May 22nd. Well, it started off at Stewartsville. Then it started off and then it went to Goodview, and now it's going to be available in those dates. So May 27th through the 29th. It will be, if you are someone who got a hold of me for a math grab and go, those will be inside your bags for pickup. And another surprise as well. So, just something that's new. Again, that's May 27th through the 29th. There will be a letter going home to let you know that the school will be open. I think people will be bringing your stuff out to you. You will not be entering the school. But again, there will be a letter going home with details in that. It's beginning to look a lot like summer. What are you going to do? I couldn't read it because it's cut off. What are you going to do to enjoy this nice weather? We are going to go play in a little bit.
And what am I?
Yes. Harper has been doing chores, just so y'all know. Like, I'm sure you wanted an update on this. Harper has been doing chores, and she earned herself some gymnastics grips so that she can... she gets blisters right there from being on her bar for gymnastics, and so we got her some grips so that she wouldn't have that problem anymore.
And I have the wristbands on different colors.
Right, and she got different color wristbands. Just in case y'all were waiting on the edge of your seats to hear about that story. All right, well, so here's what you need to be thinking of. Starting Monday, we'll be doing symmetry. So look at the dragonfly on here. He has a perfect symmetry in the middle, and then on both sides there's something. Be looking for plane shapes like a circle and 3D shapes like a sphere in your house. All right, and I will come on later this evening. I don't know why I have to do it this way, but Facebook is just, for some reason, my Chrome browser now is not letting me work with Facebook Live on my computer. I don't know why. I tried downloading it, but it'll be okay. Anyways, I will see you then. Enjoy your nice afternoon. I can't get it to, how am I going to get this to stop? I can't even see it. Okay, sorry. Enjoy.